Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to remove colors from images in Canva. This is a great way to create black and white effects, or give your designs a more minimal and professional look. Now, on your Canva dashboard, for example, here is your image. All we have to do is click the image and click Edit so that we can remove the colors. The pop-up window on the left will appear. Click on Adjust and scroll down until you see the colors. Now, to remove the colors from your image, just set the saturation to -100. As you can see, it is now black and white. There are no more colors on your image. And that's how we remove colors from images in Canva. With just a few simple adjustments, we can transform our visuals and achieve the style we want.